Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a rectangle in Davinci Resolve. This is a really useful technique for creating overlays, highlighting specific areas of your footage, or adding custom shapes to your video projects. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Davinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and effects. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on Effects. A panel will open up, and you'll need to click on Effects again within that panel. This opens up the full effects library where you can find all sorts of tools and options for enhancing your videos. Now scroll through the effects library until you find Fusion Composition. This is the key element that allows you to add custom graphics and shapes to your video. Once you've located it, simply drag it onto your timeline where you want the rectangle to appear. After placing the Fusion composition on your timeline, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Open in Fusion page. This will take you to Davinci Resolve's powerful Fusion workspace, which is specifically designed for creating motion graphics and visual effects. In the Fusion page, you'll need to start building your shape. First, drag a background node into your workspace and connect it to the Media Out node. This creates the foundation for your rectangle to exist on. Click on the background node you just added, and on the right side, you'll see the inspector panel. Here, locate the alpha setting and change it to 0. This makes the background transparent, which means your rectangle will appear without any background color blocking your footage. Now drag a merge node into your workspace and position it between the background 1 node and the media out node. The merge node is essential because it combines different elements together in the Fusion page. Next, drag a rectangle node into your workspace and connect it to the merge node. This is the actual shape you've been working towards. Click on the rectangle node to select it. On the right side in the inspector panel, you'll now see all the controls for customizing your rectangle. This is where the fun begins. You can adjust the width to make it wider or narrower, change the height to make it taller or shorter, modify the corner radius to create rounded corners, and customize various other properties like color and opacity to match your creative vision. Once you're happy with how your rectangle looks, click Edit at the bottom of the screen to return to the editing workspace. And that's it. You've successfully added a rectangle to your video in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.